Hey everyone, welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to talk about two very important concepts in Python programming. One is functions and the other one is while loop. Now, these two are incredibly important because they make a huge portion of all Python programs, and you're going to be seeing them pretty much in every single Python program, alongside other stuff that we've talked about, such as if statements and else statements and all that stuff. So with that being said, we want to do something really special in this section. I want to actually talk about this in a very visual way, something that I feel like we want to actually see it that way in order to understand, because that's how I was able to learn it. And we're gonna do it a little bit different, and you're gonna see it in action. It's gonna be really fun, and it's going to be helping you to understand this in a very fast and better way, to really put it to practice and put it to use. And we're gonna have a lot of interesting practices to actually help you to make sure that you understand this as we go down. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and let's get started. Let's talk about functions and while loops.